Welcome back students. So in this video we are going to learn about read aloud feature. Now there are many software which do the same, means they read the text for you, but I have tested it and it works very well. There are three kind of voices you can use, and let's start. So you need to go to the review, and under review in the speech you will get to see this option of read aloud. Okay, now let's say I've set my cursor over here because I want the reading to start from here, and then I will click on read aloud.
In 1898, started filming scenes of theatre productions at the Calcutta inspired by Professor Stevenson, who had brought to Indy the country's first
So here is the button.
film presentation along.
So I've paused it from here, and if you want to play it again you need to click over here. Now you can go to the setting. Under setting you can choose the reading speed. If you want it to be slow, then you can move the cursor in the left hand side. If you want it to be fast, then you can move the cursor in the right hand side. Apart from this, there are voice selection. There are three choices, as I've told you. My personal favorite is Microsoft David. Okay, I've selected this again, and I'm going to set my cursor over here. Going to play this once again.
In 1898, started filming scenes.
Fine. So this is one of the feature. Now let me take you to another important feature. Let me go to the view. Now in the view there is one very interesting feature, which is impressive reader. Because if you are going to read it from here, let's say I'm reading in 1898 starting filming scenes, it's quite difficult and difficult for the eyes also, not so much pleasing. So what you can do, you can activate this impressive reader. Wow, now here you can see it is quite easy to read. Now there are many features in between. This is the text spacing you can select. Okay, so if you want the text spacing to be like this, you can do that. You can go for syllables like this. However, I don't like this. Apart from this, this is the page color option. So there are three options. This is the white. This one was selected previously. I've used that actually. Now this is the option of column width, very narrow like this, or you can go for narrow option, further moderate and wide. My preference is moderate most of the time. Apart from this, there is this line focus option. Again, it's kind of my favorite. So here, let's say you want to focus none. So right now it is none selected. You want to focus on only one line, you can do that. So it's going to focus on one line. You can move upwards or downwards also. Now if you want to focus not only in single line but rather three line, you can do that. Five line also. So let me select this one line. Now here you can see how well it works with voice. So here I've selected all the settings for impressive reader. Let me go to the review, click on read aloud.
In 1898, started filming scenes of theatre productions at the Calcutta inspired by Professor Stevenson, who had brought to Indy the country's first bioscope, film.
So you can see quite interesting and very useful as well. So these are two impressive features which has been introduced by Word. For your information, this is 2019 version. Okay, so this is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.